Okay, so in this question it says a company manufactures two different sized boxes. Both boxes are cuboids and are similar in shape. The total surface area of the smaller box is 132 centimeters squared and the length of the longest edge is 12 centimeters. The total surface area of the larger box is 297 centimeters squared. Calculate the length of the longest edge of the larger box. Okay, and so take a moment, pause the question, have a go at it if you want to have a look at it. I'm about to talk you through how to answer this in an exam. So, top tip that you need to learn. If you're talking about similar shapes, so this keyword here being similar, I can then go and use these three rules here. If we're talking about a line, we're doing the small line times by the scale factor equals the big line. If it's an area, it's the small area times by the scale factor squared equals the big area. And if it's volume, it's small volume times by the scale factor cubed equals the big volume. Okay, so looking at the important information, we're told the total surface area of the smaller one is 132 and the total surface area of the larger one is 297. Because I know both of those bits of information, I'm going to use this one here. So I'm going to say the small area times by the scale factor squared equals the big area. So I've substituted those values in there. I've then divided both sides by the 132. So 297 divided by that 132 gave me 9 over 4. Now, if you press SD on your calculator, tell you it's 2.25. And that's the scale factor squared. If I want to know the scale factor, then I square root that answer. So either by doing square root of 9 over 4 or 2.25 gives me the 1.5 there. Okay, now the question said calculate the length of the longest edge of the larger box. So going back to my top tips, we're talking about the length of an edge, that would be a line. So it's the small line times by the scale factor gives me the big line. So that's what I've written down there. I'm told that the longest edge of the smaller box. So that's why that 12 is times by 1.5 to give me 18 centimeters. So the longest edge of the larger box must be 18 centimeters.